Way up north in the Arctic seas, where it used to perpetually freeze, there lives a mama polar bear. Of 2 cubs she takes care. She alone must treat them, because their father would surely eat them. As they play on icy crags, you might notice their fur tags, and Mama Bear wears a collar that glows each time she hollers at her little girl and boy, both her pride and her joy. Each has such a device on their shoulders or their feet as they move on sheets of ice, slowly melting from the heat, scanning polar bears near and far, like the GPS in your car. Fur tags track ursine location to help with hunting and gestation. To keep this family hale and strong, we need to watch them all day long. But the temperature's continuing rise will spell these bears' demise. The animals that are their prey, seals, beluga, and otter, will all be out of play once the ice caps turn to water. Mama's stamina will be gone if she has to swim too long, and so she moves her cubs to land, where food's less readily at hand. Scientists knowing her location won't keep her cubs from starvation, exhaustion, or malnutrition, or any other fatal condition. Mapping these polar bears' range may offer them some small assistance, but only tackling climate change can salvage their existence.